Welcome back to the workshop. I'm Rich Jackson and today we'll be taking a look at the best ways to work with your Vulcan data when modelling in Vulcan GeologyCore. In the last session we looked at how easy it was to load data in Vulcan GeologyCore just by dragging and dropping your files or using the Load Vulcan Data panel. Today we'll look at how we can share data between projects with our Vulcan design data, geotech databases or other Vulcan GeologyCore projects. The key for transferring data between multiple GeologyCore projects or between GeologyCore and the Vulcan databases is the project option on the home ribbon. Here I can open up my session from my first GeologyCore workshop and copy across any of the data in any of the containers into my current project. I can also use this to load geotechnical structures from a Vulcan geotech database. If I want to work directly on the database, I can load it on screen from there. Otherwise, I can copy that into my local project. When navigating around, remember your Alt key is the key to getting you in a zoom, pan and rotate mode. And C for center lets you pick a new rotation center to rotate around. The project option is also useful for working with Vulcan design databases. Here I can load up my project's design database and either copy layers into it or out of it using this interface. I have some faults here. To make them easier to see, I can use some of my other shortcuts. H for hide hides the selected object. J brings it back, and Shift H hides everything except the selected object. And of course you can select it on screen or on the Explorer. I'll copy that across into my Vulcan design database and just save that at the top there, and then I'll see it immediately in Vulcan. If you are using this often, you can just snap it onto your Explorer like so. I've got my faults that I can load up there. So with those tips, I hope you can all easily get your data from Vulcan or other sources into GeologyCore. And in the next workshop, we'll have a look at how the GeologyCore interface is laid out, how we can validate that data and start on our modelling process. So I hope to see you all then in the next GeologyCore workshop.